Oily skincare routine. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing a quick and effective skincare routine for oily skin. Let's dive right in. First, cleansing. It's super important to start with a clean slate. I recommend using a gentle foaming cleanser that removes excess oil without stripping your skin. My favorite is the Cerave Foaming Facial Cleanser. This cleanser contains ceramides and niacinamide, which help to maintain your skin's barrier while controlling oil. Next up, toning. A good toner can help balance your skin's pH and remove any leftover impurities. I love the Thayer's Witch Hazel Toner with aloe vera. It's alcohol-free and perfect for oily skin. Now for treatment. If you're dealing with acne or large pores, try incorporating a serum with salicylic acid. The Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant is a game changer. Salicylic acid penetrates deep into the pores to clear out excess oil and dead skin cells, reducing breakouts. Even oily skin needs moisture. Opt for a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer, like the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. This gel formula provides hydration without feeling greasy and is perfect for keeping your skin balanced. Finally, don't forget sunscreen. It's crucial to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. I recommend the La Roche-Posay and Thelios Clear Skin Sunscreen SPF 60. This sunscreen is non-comedogenic and doesn't leave a white cast, making it ideal for oily skin. And that's it. A quick and effective skincare routine for oily skin. Remember, consistency is key. I'm Minhu signing off. Until next time, stay beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more.